Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to solve this given exponential equation to find the value of x. Our equation is 14 raised to the power x equal to 2016 under root plus 56 under root. First of all, I am going to write 2016 and 56 into the product of its prime factors. So let us find the prime factor of 2016 and 56. So 2016 divide with 2, we get 1008. Divide 1008 with 2, we get 504. Divide 504 with 2, we get 252. Divide 252 with 2, we get 126. Divide 126 with 2, we get 63. Divide 63 with 3, we get 21. Divide 21 with 3, we get 7. So these are all the prime factors of 2016. Now prime factors of 56. Divide 56 with 2, we get 28. Divide 28 with 2, we get 14. Divide 14 with 2, we get 7. So they are all the prime factors of 56. Now let us write right hand side into the product of its prime factors. So this equation is further equal to 14 raised to the power x equal to 2016. How many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 raised to the power 5 times how many 3's? 3, 1, 2. This 3 raised to the power 2 times 7 under root plus 56. 1, 2, 3. 2 raised to the power 3 times 7 under root. Because on the left hand side there is 14, I would like to make 14 under root in this term and 14 under root in this term. So let us write this equation as 14 raised to the power x equal to 2 raised to the power 4 times 3 raised to the power 2 times 2 times 7 under root plus 2 raised to the power 2 times 2 times 7 under root. This is further equal to 14 raised to the power x. If I take 2 raised to the power 4 outside the square root, so this will be 2 raised to the power 2. Take 3 raised to the power 2 outside the square root, so this is times 3. Inside is 2 times 7, so this is 14 under root plus, if I take this 2 raised to the power 2 outside the square root, so this is 2, inside 14 under root. So this is further equal to 14 raised to the power x equal to, this is 4 times 3, this is 12 times 14 under root plus 2 times 14 under root. So this is further equal to 14 raised to the power x equal to 12 plus 2 is 14, 14, 14 under root. So this is further equal to 14 raised to the power x equal to 14 power 1. This 14, if I write 14 raised to the power 1 over 2, so this implies that 14 raised to the power x equal to, bases are same, so you can add the powers. So this is 14 raised to the power 1 plus 1 over 2, because we know the property of the exponent. If x raised to the power a times x raised to the power b, this can be written as x raised to the power a plus b. So in the next step, this is 14 raised to the power x equal to 14 raised to the power 3 over 2. So this is further equal to, bases are same, so you can equate the exponent. So we know the property of the exponent. If bases are same, x raised to the power a equal to x raised to the power b. So this implies that a equal to b. So you can equate the exponent. So this is x equal to 3 over 2. So this is my answer, x equal to 3 over 2. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.